Welcome to Narayana Online Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss some basic problems of the straight lines only. Let us move to the first question. Now you see the medians AD and BE of the triangle with vertices A of 0, B, B of 0, 0 and C of A, 0 are mutually perpendicular. If now you see already it is there AD and BE slopes only, two lines are mutually perpendicular, then the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Now you see, let us discuss about that one. This is a B 0, 0. B of 0, 0 is there. C of this is A, 0. A, 0. A, 0. This is A of 0, B. 0, B. Now the medians AD is the median. AD is the median. Is it clear? And BE is the other median only. These are the perpendicular. These are the perpendicular if we are taking. Roughly we are drawing that. Is it clear or not? Now BE is the another median if we are taking like that. Then slope of AD you see. Slope of AD means nothing but D point is nothing but what you can get. This is A by 2, 0 only. Now you see slope of AD easily you can get that one. Slope of AD line segment is nothing but this only you will get. AD means what is that? 0 minus B by what you can get A by 2 minus 0, that is nothing but minus 2B by A, already it is there. Now E is nothing but this is a midpoint only, this is nothing but A by 2 comma B by 2. Now slope of BE is nothing but what is that? Slope of BE line segment is nothing but B by 2 minus 0, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 only. Is it clear or not? Now y2 minus y1 means you can get that one y2 minus y, b by 2 by a by 2, that is b by a. These two lines are mutually perpendicular. These two lines are mutually perpendicular means product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to what you can get? Minus 1 only you will get. So that only here it is there. AD is perpendicular to BE only, that is minus 2B by A into B by A, that is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. 2B square is equal to what you can get? That is A square only. So this is only the condition only. So if they are mutually perpendicular, relation is nothing but what you are getting? 2B square by A square. Let us move to the next question. Now equation to the straight line cutting off an intercept 2 from negative y-axis and inclined at 30 degrees to the positive direction of x-axis is. Now equation of the line passing through 0, minus 2. You will get like this 0, minus 2 somewhere you will get here point. 0, minus 2. And making inclination, what is that? Equation to the straight line cutting off an intercept 2 from negative y-axis and incline 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis only. Is it clear or not? So the inclination is positive direction of the x-axis means what is that? Theta is equal to 0, minus 2 is the point passing through 0, minus 2 you can get. Is it clear or not? Now making an inclination, 0, minus 2 means what is that? Like this line if you are taking, then what we can get? This inclination is nothing but what is that? 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis only. Positive direction of the x-axis only, and also that is intersecting at 0, minus 2. Equation to the straight line cutting off an intercept 2 from the negative y-axis and inclined at 30 degrees to the positive direction of the x-axis. Now theta 30 degrees, m is equal to tan 30 degrees only. Now m is equal to tan 30 degrees only, that is equal to, we will get it as 1 by root 3 only, passing through 0 comma minus 2 only. Is it clear or not? Having slope 1 by root 3 passing through 0 minus 2, y minus y1, that is y minus y1 is y plus 2 is equal to m into x minus x1, 1 by root 3 into this is x minus 0 only. Is it clear or not? Now root 3y plus 2 root 3, root 3y plus 2 root 3 minus x is equal to 0, means this is nothing but this only. Now root 3y minus x plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 only. Is it clear or not? Means equation to the straight line cutting off an intercept 2 from the negative y-axis and inclined at 30 degrees to the positive direction of x-axis is like this only. So let us move to the next question. The sum of xy intercepts made by the lines x plus y is equal to a, x plus y equal to ar, x plus y equal to ar square, so on the coordinate axis. R is given, here R is what was given? R is equal to, we can given it as the 1 by 2 only, a is not equal to 0. Now sum is nothing but sum of the intercept made by the line. Sum of the intercept made by the line means like this only. Sum of the intercept made by the line, a and a plus a, 2a. That is, see, x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. Sum of the intercept is nothing but what you can get, a plus a, that is nothing but 2a only you will get. Again this is ar plus ar, 2ar, ar square plus ar square, 2ar square. Is it clear or not? So on like that you will get sum of the infinite series in the GP. So S infinity is nothing but a by 1 minus r. Here our a is what is that? That is 2a by 1 minus r only. We are getting that 2a by 1 minus r. Now 2a by 1 minus r is half only. 1 minus half is half only. 2a by 1 by 2 you will get, it should be 4a only. Here only it is there. 4a is the answer only. So the sum of xy intercepts made by the lines. Is it clear or not? Now let us move to the next question. Now you see, normal form of the equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. The given equation is nothing but x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Normal form formula I am writing here, you see, the normal form is nothing but x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, that is equal to p only. Normal form of the line. The diagram you will get like this only, normal form. Is it clear or not? A perpendicular drawn from the, this is the perpendicular. Is it clear or not? This is making what is that? Alpha angle only. Now you see that line is making, means this perpendicular making angle alpha only. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. This is the origin only, that p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line only. Now the given equation is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. But if you take one right side, c greater than 0 or less than 0 we are writing. C is nothing but greater than 0 only. Taking that side minus 1 you will get. So that's what, right side you have to get the positive thing only. That's what x minus y is equal to 1. Why? Because x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. This p always should be what is that? Should be positive only. Why? Because it is length of the perpendicular from origin to the straight line only. So minus 1 into x by, see, divided by root of a square plus b square. Root of a square plus b square means a is 1, here b is also 1, c is also 1. Now minus 1 into x by root 2 plus minus 1 into y by root 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2 only. Is it clear or not? Now x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p model. Both negatives we have to get minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Why? Because cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Sin alpha is also minus 1 by root 2. In which quadrant you will get once you tell that one? So sin alpha and cos alpha negative in the third quadrant only. So 5 pi by 4 only. Cos third quadrant means this is nothing but what is that? 225 degrees only. Cos 225 degrees. This is the third quadrant only. Both are negative only. Cos alpha negative, sin alpha negative. So that's what this is a third quadrant only. Negative, both are the negative. Third quadrant 225 degrees you can verify. 225 degrees means what is that? Cos 225 degrees nothing but cos of 180 plus 45. Cos 180 plus theta minus cos 45, that is minus 1 by root 2 only you will get. Sin 225 degrees means sin of 180 plus 45, that is nothing but minus sin 45, again minus 1 by root 2 you will get. It is satisfying only. Here alpha value is 5 pi by 4, that p value is nothing but 1 by root 2. It is a normal form or the perpendicular form you can say, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p only. Let us move to the next question. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 6 are two opposite vertices of a rectangle, and if the other two vertices lie on the line 2y equal to x plus c, then c and other two vertices are what? Now the point is given vertices x1, y1, 2, 4 which lie on the line 2y equal to x plus c. These two are the opposite vertices of a rectangle, and if the other two vertices lie on the line 2y equal to x plus c. Now here I am taking that the midpoint of 1, 2, 3, 6. Midpoint of 1, 2, 3, 6. Midpoint of 1, 2, 3, 6 is nothing but 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 2 only, 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 4 only, x1, y1, 2, 4 which lies on that line 2y is equal to x plus c only. So that's what, if it is lie on that one, you will get that c value only. 2, 4 means what is that? 8 is equal to 2 plus c, c is equal to, we will get it as 6 only. Now we can define the r value by using AP distance or BP distance only. So 1, 2 and 2, 4, if you take that distance between the 2 points, 1 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 4 whole square, that is root 5 only, x1 minus x2 whole square, root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is also 3 minus 2 whole square, 6 minus 4 whole square. Either AP or BP if you find, that is root 5 only you will get. Now tan theta, now you see that 2y is equal to x plus c only. So that's what you can get once you check this one, y is equal to 1 by 2 x plus c by 2 only. This is only the slope only. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 only. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. If tan theta 1 by 2, now cos theta and sin theta, what you can get once you check this one? This is 1, this is 2 only, this is nothing but root 5 you will get. Is it clear or not? Now root 5 means x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Now you see x1 is what is that? Now 2, 4, x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta, 2 plus r cos theta, root 5 into cos theta is 2 by root 5 only. Root 5 cancel. 2 plus 2, that is 4 we are getting. Now y1 plus r sin theta, that is 4 plus root 5 into r sin theta, root 5 into sin theta is 1 by root 5 only. This root 5 will be get cancelled. 4 comma 5 point we got like that, x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin. Now x1 minus r cos theta, y1 minus r sin theta. This is a point B we are getting. Is it clear or not? This is a point B. Now C point formula is nothing but x1 minus r cos theta, y1 minus r sin theta. Same thing only, but 2 minus root 5 into 2 minus root 5 into 2 minus root 5 into cos theta, that is nothing but what it is, 2 by root 5. Is it clear? That is 2 by root 5. Next to what is that? Two by root 5. Now this is 4 minus root 5 into 1 by root 5. Now this is nothing but 0 comma 3 you will get. 4 minus 1, 3. So the points you can get that one, 4 comma 5, 0 comma 3. This is a symmetric form only. We can find by symmetric form or parametric form. The coordinates you can find x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y1 plus r minus r sin theta only. Tan theta 1 by 2 from the slope only we can pick up. Is it clear or not? So clearly that B coordinates 4 comma 5, C coordinates are 0 comma 3 only. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. Now the range of theta in the interval 0 comma pi such that the points 3 comma 5 and sin theta cos theta lie on the same side of the line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 is, if they lie on the same line, now minus L11 by L22 we can write. Minus L1 formula is nothing but what is that, do you know? That is nothing but minus L11 by L22. Now this L11 by L22 is greater than 0, then what you can get? That is greater than 0, this is negative means total ratio is negative only you will get, this is less than 0 only you will get. That's what you can get, that points are the same side only. The points are the same side only. So the formula is minus L11 by L22. L11 means the first point substituting in the given line only, L22 is the second point substituting in the given line only. Now after substituting that, L11 into L22 greater than 0 only, means 3 plus 5 minus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is greater than 0 only we got. This is a positive one only, 6 minus 1, 5 only. Positive one you can take that side, that will become 0. Now sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 greater than 0 only. Now you know very well, like it is nothing but a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c model we are getting. So that's what divide with sin theta, we can divide with like that you can write. Sin theta plus cos theta is greater than 1. Dividing that 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta is greater than 1 by root 2. This is sin theta cos pi by 4 plus cos theta sin pi by 4 is greater than 1 by root 2 only. This is sin of theta plus pi by 4. Like that only you will get. This is greater than 1 by root 2. If sin theta plus pi by 4 or pi by 4 plus theta, you can also write sin pi by 4 plus theta greater than 1 by root 2. Now sin of pi by 4 plus theta greater than 1 by root 2, then where is this greater than 1 by root 2 will get for this theta mean 1 by root 2 is nothing but 1 greater than 1 by root 2. This implies pi by 4 is less than pi by 4 plus theta is less than 3 pi by 4. It lies between pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 only. Taking, we require the theta values only. Taking this pi by 4 this side and that side, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 you will get it as 0. 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. 135 minus 45 degrees should be 90. Theta range is nothing but what you will get, 0 less than theta less than pi by 2 only you will get. 0 less than theta less than pi by 2 only. This method, this mechanism, you know, you did already this one in the trigonometry only. Is it clear or not? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B model sin of pi by 4 plus theta 1. Is it clear? So theta range you will get 0 less than theta less than pi by 2 only. Let us move to the next question. The distance between A of 2 comma 3 on the line of gradient 3 by 4 and the point of intersection of P of this line with 5x plus 7y plus 40 equal to 0 is what? M is equal to 3 by 4. Then cos theta is equal to what was given? 4 by 5 and sin theta is 3 by 5. M is equal to 3 by 4 in this solution. What we can get? You can take a triangle like that only. This is 3, this is 4, this should be what you will get? 5 you will get. From this one cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, sin theta equal to 3 by 5. This is the formula for R. R is nothing but AX1 plus BY1 plus C by, is it clear or not? A cos alpha plus B sin alpha. AX1 plus BY1 plus C. Formula is nothing but what you can get? AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A cos alpha plus B sin alpha. That only we are applying. Now AX1. What is X1 Y1? X1 Y1 is 2 comma 3. Now 5 into X1 is 2 plus B 7 into Y1 is 3 plus C, that is 40, divided by 5 into 4 by 5 plus 7 into 3 by 5. You do the simplification, what you will get? This is 10, 50 plus 21. After that, on rearrangement of that one, you will get totally, that is something but denominator 5 will comes there only. Okay na? 71 by that 71 into 5, what you will get? 355 you will get, divided by 20 plus 21, you will get it as 41. Is it clear or not? So AX1 plus BY1 plus C, R is equal to, formula is this only, AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A cos alpha plus B sin alpha is the formula only. Based on that only you will get the thing. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. The lines P into P square plus 1 into x minus y plus q equal to 0, P square plus 1 whole square x plus P square plus 1 into y plus 2q equal to 0, perpendicular to a common line. These are perpendicular to the common line. Then find. Means you have to find the condition. What is that? These two are perpendicular to the common line means two lines are perpendicular means what is that? A common line is there, for example. Two lines are perpendicular means these two are parallel only. Yeah. So the two lines are parallel means what is that? Parallel condition, what is that? A1 by B1 is equal to, slopes are equal, you can write. M1 is equal to M2. Slopes means what is that? Minus of P into P square plus 1, P square plus 1 by minus 1, that is equal to P square plus 1 whole square by, here also minus sign only, this is P square plus 1. You see, here 1 P square plus 1 will be get cancelled. Minus A by B is the slope of the general equation of the straight line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. These, see, the lines are perpendicular to a common line. For what thing you will get? Perpendicular to the common line means these two are parallel only. P square plus 1 will get cancelled, P square plus 1, P square plus 1 will be get cancelled. Minus minus will be getting cancelled. P is equal to only how many values we are getting? P is equal to, we are getting that this is a minus sign, minus of P into P square plus 1 by minus 1 slope, minus of P square plus 1 whole square by P square plus 1 Both p square plus 1 will be get cancelled, minus minus will be get cancelled. Now how many values we are getting? Only one value we are getting for p only. So just you observe that one, exactly one value of p, exactly two values of p, more than two values of p, no values of p. So this is the correct answer, only exactly one value of p you are getting. The two lines are perpendicular to a common line. Whether if you get like that, you will get that one p, you will get only one value only. Slopes are equal. Is it clear or not? M1 is equal to, we are writing, that is M2 only. For these two lines, the two slopes are equal, we are writing M1 is equal to M2. Why? Because these two are perpendicular to one common line only. That's what, exactly one value of p only you will get. Let us move to the next question. If the lines y equal to minus 3x plus 4, ay is equal to x plus 10 and 2y plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 represents three consecutive sides of a rectangle, then what is AB, they are asking. Now you see, a rectangle is there. Now consecutive lines, this is I am taking y is equal to, from here we am starting minus 3x plus 4. This is nothing but any consecutive lines we are taking, ay is equal to x plus 10. This is nothing but 2y plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. These two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are also perpendicular. Now, you see, is it clear or not? Once you check this one. Now, product of the slopes we can find from this side. What you can get once you, to get that one. These two lines are perpendicular means, now given lines I am writing. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 4, ay is equal to x plus 10, 2y is equal to y plus bx plus 9 equal to 0. Equation 1, 2, this is 3. Equation 1 perpendicular to equation 2. Is it clear or not? Now equation 1 means slope m1 minus 3. Now slope is, what is that? Slope of 1 is minus 3. Slope of 2 is nothing but 1 by a. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, minus 3 into 1 by a equal to minus 1. Therefore, a equal to 3. From 2 and 3, what we can get once you check this one? From 2 and 3, you will get that one. From 2 and 3, what will get, 2 and 3? This is nothing but slope 1 by a. This slope is 1 by a into, this is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope is nothing but minus a by b minus b by 2, that is equal to minus 1. This minus will get cancelled. Already a equal to 3 we got, b by 3 into 2 equal to 1, b equal to, we are getting it as 6 only. B is equal to 6 means, what is the condition? AB condition they are asking, that is 3 into 6. Therefore, AB is equal to 18 you will get. Now you see, the result of AB they are asking. The result of AB is nothing but what you are getting, you see, that is nothing but 18 only you will get. AB is equal to 18. A rectangle we are taking, consecutive sides of the rectangle, then what we are getting means these two are perpendicular, these two are perpendicular. Two lines are mutually perpendicular means the product of the slopes m1, m2 is equal to -1 only. By that we got the a value and the b value only. Therefore, we are getting AB is equal to what it is, 18 only. Let us move to the next question. A line joining A of 2 comma 0, B of 3 comma 1, is it clear, is rotated about A in anti-clockwise direction through angle 15 degrees. Then the equation of AB in the new position is what? Now you see. Now A of 2 comma 0, A of 2 comma 0 is there, 3 comma 1, B of 3 comma 1, somewhere you will get 3 comma 1. So rotate about A in anti-clockwise direction through the angle 15 degrees. This is rotating like that. So this angle is what is that? 15 degrees. Is it clear? Now you have to get that one. You have to get that one. The thing is nothing but what is that? Now A of 2 comma 0, this is B of 3 comma 1. Rotating means what is that? Here you will get the new coordinates only. You have to find that one. Now this is B, this is B only. Now slope of AB, slope of AB line I am finding. Slope of AB line means what you can get once you check this one. Slope of AB line is nothing but, this is a 2 comma 0 only. Now you see slope of AB y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 1 by 1, 1. If 1, that is 1, slope is 1, this angle is nothing but what? How much degrees? 45 degrees. Total theta is how much you will get, you know, 45 plus 15. Required theta, how much you are getting, do you know? 60 degrees. Add these two, 45 plus 15. Required theta means inclination with the positive direction of x-axis, that new line is nothing but what you can get, you know, that is theta equal to 60 degrees and passing through 2 comma 0 only. Is it clear or not? Now this is nothing but m is equal to tan 60 degrees, that is equal to root 3 only. Now you see that is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus x1 only. That is implies y is equal to root 3 into x minus 2 is the answer. Y is equal to root 3 into x minus 2. Just you observe that a line joining A of 2 comma 0 and B of 3 comma 1 is rotated about A in anti-clockwise direction through angle 15 degrees. This is rotating like that 15 degrees. This is a 15 degrees we are writing. Is it clear or not? Now AB slope if I find, I got that one only. Then this theta, tan theta equal to 1 means theta is 45 degrees. Total angle is 60 degrees we are getting. Total angle is 60 degrees means m is equal to tan 60 degrees only, that is root 3 only. Now equation having inclination that one and passing through the point A of 2 comma 0, the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 only. Y minus 0 equal to root 3 into x minus 2, y is equal to root 3 into x minus 2. This option is correct only. Y is equal to root 3 into x minus 2 is the right answer. Is it clear or not? Now let us move to the next question. minus 4 comma y 5 is one of the vertex, and 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0 is the one of the diagonal of a square, then the equation of the other diagonal is what is that? Now, equation of the other diagonal only. If minus 4 comma 5 is one of the diagonal of 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0, now square we are taking. Now, see this minus 4 comma 5 you substitute in that one, is it lie on that line? No. 7 into minus 4 minus 28 minus 5, not satisfying only. Now, one diagonal is like this, one diagonal is like this, other diagonal is like this only. Now, a line perpendicular to 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0, is it clear or not? Now, if this is minus 4 comma 5 point, minus 4 comma 5 point, that line is not 7x, this line is nothing but what is that? 7x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, you can find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to this one. Equation of the line perpendicular, equation of the line perpendicular to 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0. Perpendicular equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Perpendicular equation is what is that? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Formula is like that only. Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Bx means minus 1 into x minus 7 into y plus k is equal to 0. That is minus x minus 7y plus k is equal to 0. If you cancel that minus, what you can get? X plus 7y minus k equal to 0. X plus 7y minus k equal to 0. This line passes through, you call this is equation 1. Equation 1 passing through minus 4 comma 5. Is it clear or not? So, equation 1 passing through what point? Passing through, this is nothing but minus 4 comma 5. Now, passing through minus 4 comma 5 means what does it mean by that one? Minus 4 plus 7 into 5. Minus 4 plus 7 into 5 minus k is equal to 0. Why? Because you are having that x plus 7y minus k equal to 0 is the first equation only. Now, you see 35 minus 4 minus 31, therefore k is equal to minus 31. K is equal to minus 31. So, this is a plus 31 we are getting, sorry, k is equal to plus 31 we are getting, not minus 31. Why? Because you see this one, this is 35 minus 4 plus 31. We are taking minus k that side, k is equal to 31. Now, we can write the equation. We can write the equation what it is. Once you check this one, x plus 7y minus k is equal to 0. Required equation is x plus 7y minus k means what is that? Minus 31 is equal to x plus 7y minus 31, x plus 7y minus 15, x plus 7y plus 8, x plus 7y minus 35, 0. So, this is the right answer. X plus 7y minus 31 is equal to 0. A line perpendicular to the other line means what does it mean by that one? For example, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is there. This should be bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Now, bx means our b value minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus ay means 7 into y plus k. By that you can get x plus 7y minus k is equal to 0. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. If p of alpha comma beta lies on the line y equal to 6x minus 1, q of beta comma alpha lies on the line this one, then the equation of pq is required. Now, use solution you see. P of alpha comma beta lies on y is equal to 6x minus 1. So that's what beta equal to 6 alpha minus 1. Is it clear? Beta is equal to 6 alpha minus 1. Is it clear? We will write in the correct manner. 6 alpha minus beta minus 1 equal to 0, equation 1. Now, beta comma alpha, q of beta comma alpha lies on which one? 2x minus 5y. 2x minus 5y equal to 5 means minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, this is nothing but 2 beta minus 5 alpha minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2, what you will get, you see. Now, solving 1 and 2, you will get, you see. This is nothing but 6 alpha is there, 2 beta is there. Is it clear or not? Now, this also we can write in order alpha only. We will write, no problem, nothing will happen. Minus 5 alpha, this is plus 2 beta. I will multiply with 2 with equation 1. Now, 12 alpha minus 2 beta minus 2 is equal to 0. Multiplying 2 with this equation 1. Now, minus 5 alpha. Why? Because in order I am writing minus 5 alpha plus 2 beta minus 5, that is equal to 0. 12 alpha minus 2 beta plus 2 beta will be get cancelled. This is 7 alpha minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, 7 alpha equal to 7. Now, alpha equal to, you will get it as 1 only. If alpha is 1, what is beta? Now, you see, beta equal to 6 into 1 minus 1, beta is equal to what you can get? 5 only. You required the PQ equation only. P of alpha comma beta. Now, you see, P of 1 comma 5. P of 1 comma 5. Q of what is that? Beta comma alpha 5 comma 1. Now, PQ slope is what is that? Once you check this one. PQ slope is, sorry. PQ slope is y2 minus y1. 1 minus 5 by 5 minus 1. x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 y1, x2 y2 means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 1 minus 5 by 5 minus 1. Slope of PQ is nothing but minus 4 by, this is 4 only. Now, 4 will be get cancelled, this should be minus 1 only. Now, you see that one, y minus y1, equation of PQ. Equation of PQ line is nothing but what it is, you see, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 only. That is nothing but y minus 5 is equal to minus x plus 1. Now, x plus y is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. This is only the answer. X plus y is equal to 6. 2x plus y equal to 3. 3x plus 2y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 6. 3x plus y is equal to 7 is there. So, this is the right answer. X plus y is equal to 6 is the right answer only. Is it clear or not? Once you check this one. So, x plus y is equal to 6. Let us move to the next question. Why? Because we got this answer. Now, the equation of the straight line cutting off an intercept 8 on x-axis and making angle of 60 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis. Now, you see, now x-intercept is 8 only. Now, making theta angle 60 degrees, making an angle of 60 degrees with making an angle 60 degrees with positive x-axis, sorry, not x-axis, with positive direction of y-axis, direction of y-axis. If positive direction of y-axis like that, you will get it is making 150 degrees with positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. So what you will get once you check this one, m is equal to tan of 150 degrees. Tan of 150 degrees, tan 90 plus 30. Tan 90 plus 30, sorry, tan 90 plus 60. 150 degrees only. Tan 90 plus 60 means what is that? Minus cot 60 degrees. Why? Because this is in the second quadrant only, 150 degrees. So tan is negative in that one. 90 plus 60, what you can write? Otherwise, you can also write 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 also 150 only. Minus tan 30 degrees only you will get. Minus tan 30 degrees means m is equal to minus 1 by root 3 only. Now minus 1 by root 3, having x-intercept 8 means y equal to m into x minus a is the formula. Y equal to m into x minus a. Now you see y is equal to what you are getting, m means minus 1 by root 3 into x minus a. Our a is 8 only. X-intercept is 8 means a is equal to 8 only. M is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Now you see root 3y. Root 3y is equal to minus x plus 8 only. Now root 3y, x plus root 3y. This is implies minus x, if you take left side, x plus root 3y is equal to, you can get it as 8 only. X plus root 3y is equal to 8. X minus root 3y minus 8. X plus root 3y equal to 8. Y minus root 3x is 8. Y plus root 3x is equal to 8. X plus root 3y is equal to what you can get? That is the 8 is the answer only. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining P of 1, 4 and Q of k, 3 has y-intercept is minus 4. Then a possible value of k is what is that? Now you see diagram is like this only. This is a perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector of the line P of 1, 4, Q of k, 3. This midpoint is nothing but k plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 3, 7 by 2 only. Now, is it clear? We can call this is R only, no problem. Now, slope of PQ I will find. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining P of 1, 4 and Q of k, 3 has y-intercept is minus 4. Then a possible value of k is what? Now, slope of PQ line segment. Slope of PQ line segment y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is k minus 1 minus 1 by k minus 1. The perpendicular slope is what you can get, you know, that is k minus 1 only. This line slope is minus 1 by k minus 1. This line slope is k minus 1 only. The line L slope, this we call L only, okay na? Now, equation of line L. Equation of line L is nothing but what you can get, you see. Passing through k plus 1 by 2, 7 by 2 and having slope k minus 1. See, PQ slope is minus 1 by k minus 1. L slope is k minus 1. Equation of the line L is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, that is k plus 1 by 2. Is it clear or not? Now you see this one. Y minus 7 by 2, that is equal to k minus 1 into x minus k plus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Now let us move to the next step only. What thing you will get, you see. Now this is nothing but 2y minus 7 by 2. Isn't it or not? 2y minus 7 by 2, that is equal to k minus 1 into, that is equal to k minus 1 into, what you can get, you see, 2x minus k plus 1 by 2. 2x minus k plus 1. 2x minus k plus 1 by 2. This 2 will be get cancelled. Now you see, this is nothing but what you can get, k minus 1 into 2x minus k square minus 1. 2x into k minus 1 minus of k square minus 1, that is equal to 2y minus 7 only. Now this implies what will happen, you see, 2x into k minus 1 minus 2y, that is equal to minus k square will become plus k square only. Minus of minus plus 1, you can get minus 1, that is minus 8 only you will get. You see, 2x into k minus 1 minus of k square minus 1. 2y this side I took, 2x into k minus 1 minus 2y by k square minus 8 only. Is it clear or not? Now you see what will happen, you see. Now the intercept of y intercept is minus 4 only. Now we will write this one into the intercept form. 2x into k minus 1 by k square minus 8 minus 2y by k square minus 8, that is equal to 1. Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Y intercept here you are getting that minus of k square minus 1, 8 by 2 means 2x by k square minus 8 plus y by minus of k square minus 8 by 2, that is equal to 1. Why? Because we required only y intercept only. Now that is minus 4 only. Minus of k square minus 8 by 2 is equal to minus 4 only. Is it clear or not? Minus of k square minus 8 by 2 minus k square plus 8 is equal to minus 8 we are getting. Now k square is equal to 16 we are getting. Now k square is equal to 16 we are getting. Now if it is a y intercept is minus 4, then the possible value of x is nothing but k is equal to plus or minus 4 only. K is equal to, you can get the value, possible value of k is like that only. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining P of 1 comma 4, Q of k comma 3, is it clear or not, has y intercept is minus 4, then a possible value of k is nothing but what you can get once you check this one. K is equal to, you can get, we are getting that, once you observe that one, once again we will recall that one. Actually what we did means k plus, the midpoint of that one, k plus 1 by 2, 7 by 2 only. Slope of PQ is nothing but 3 minus 4 by k minus 1, we got that minus 1 by k minus 1. Equation of the line L is y minus 7 by 2, that is equal to k minus 1 into y minus y1 is equal to m into k minus 1 into y, because product of the slopes you have to get it as minus 1 only, perpendicular line. K minus 1 into x minus k plus 1 by 2. 2y minus 7 by 2 is equal to k minus 1 into 2x minus k plus 1 by 2. 2x minus k plus 1 by 2, 2 cancel. Now 2x into k minus 1 minus k square minus 1, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is equal to 2y minus 7. 2x into k minus 1 minus 2y is equal to minus k square will become plus k square, plus 1 will become minus 1, minus 7 minus 8. 2x by k minus 1 by k square minus 8 minus 2y by k square minus 8 is equal to 1. 2x by k square minus 8 plus y by minus of k square minus 8 by 2 is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 model. Now, the intercept is, y-intercept is minus 4 was given, so equated minus 4 we got the k value. Like that we can obtain the possible value of k, you can get like that only. Is it clear or not? Now, then after we can go for the next question. The sum of the intercepts cut off by the axis on the line x plus y equal to a, x plus y equal to ar, x plus y equal to ar square, so on, where a is not equal to 0 and r is equal to 1 by 2. Now you see sum of intercepts, sum of intercepts cut off by the axis, cut off by the axis. Now that is nothing but a root 2 plus ar root 2 plus ar square root 2 plus so on infinity. This is series is in GP only. S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r only. The thing is ratio is r only, so that's what S infinity means. What is that? A root 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2, that is a root 2 by, this is 1 by 2, 2 root 2a is the answer only. Now 2a, a root 2, 2 root 2a, that is a. So 2 root 2a is the right answer only. Is it clear or not? 2 root 2a only. Next, let us move to the next question. Equation of the line passing through 0, 1 and having intercepts in the ratio 2:3. Now, intercepts are in the ratio, what is that? Ratio 2:3, that is a is to b is equal to 2:3, a by b is equal to 2 by 3, therefore b is equal to 3a by 2. Equation of the line is nothing but what you can get, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, intercept form. Is it clear? Now, x by a plus y by 3a by 2 is equal to 1. Now you see, this 2 comes in the numerator, x by a plus 2y by 3a is equal to 1. This here LCM is 3a only, this is 3x you will get, plus 3a, this is plus 2y, that is equal to 1. The equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a you will get. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a only. It is passing through 0, 1. 0, 1 only. Is it clear or not? Now it is passing through 0, 1 means this equation passing through 0, 1. Now you see, Equation of the line passing through 0, 1 and having intercepts the ratio. A is to B ratio 2 is to 3. A by B 2 by 3, B is equal to, I required B only. So, B is equal to what I wrote means that is equal to B is equal to 3A by 2. Equation of the line is x by A, intercept form x by A plus y by B equal to 1. X by A plus y by 3A by 2 is equal to 1. X by A plus 2y by 3A is equal to 1. A and 3A LCM is 3A. This 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y is equal to what you can get? That is equal to 1 only you will get. Now 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a passing through 0, 1. In place of x 0, in place of 1 y you put 1 only. Now 2 is equal to 3a. Now this is implies 3 into 0 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3a. This is 0 only, 3a equal to 2. 3a equal to directly we got only, substitute that one, that's enough. Here 3a only we got, 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. Now required equation is nothing but what is that? Required equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. This is only. Why? Because you see 3x plus 2y equal to 3a is the required equation only. 3x plus 2y already we got 3a value. 3a value we got it as nothing but what is that? 2 only we got. Why? Because this is passing through 0, 1 means 0, 1 directly 3a is equal to we got 2. So that's what you can get, that 3a is equal to 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 only. This is the right answer. So first option 2x plus 3y equal to 3. 2x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y equal to 2, 2x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Equation of a line which passes through the point minus 3, 8 and cut off positive intercepts on the axis whose sum is 7 only. Simple one, passing through the point was given. We go for the verification method, we will do this problem. Once you check this one, see first option 3 into minus 3 minus 4 into 8, is it 12? Once you check this one, no. Second option 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into 8, is it 12? 24 minus 12, yes, correct only. Third option 3 into minus 3, 4 into 8, 32 minus 9, is it 12? Wrong only. Fourth option 4x, 4 into minus 3 into 8, is it 12? No, wrong only. That's what you can get. Only the thing is 4x plus 3y equal to 12 satisfied. We can also verify that the sum of the intercepts also 3y by 12 is equal to 12 by 12 1, 4 3 ja, 3 4 ja. Now x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Sum of the intercepts a plus b is equal to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. Is it satisfying or not? So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Which one is correct? Second option is correct only. Is it clear or not? Let us move to the next question. If the line x minus y plus 1 plus k into y minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0 makes equal intercepts on the axis, then the value of k is what? Equal intercept means x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to a, slope is minus 1. Is it clear or not? Now you see that one. Slope is minus 1. So we will write that one, m is equal to minus 1 only. Is it clear or not? Now m is equal to minus 1 only. Now let us write that given equation is what is that? Is x minus y plus 1 plus k into y minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will write in the ax plus by plus c model only. X minus 2kx, x minus 2kx, 1 minus 2k into x only. Is it clear or not? Here minus y plus ky only. Here minus y plus ky. Now y common, what you can get? K minus 1 you can write. Y common, you can write k minus 1 only. Now you see this one. 1 minus 2k into x plus y into k minus 1 only. Then after what we can get, use this constant, you can verify 4k plus 1. That is equal to 0. Now they are equal intercept means what we are concentrating? M is equal to minus 1 only. M is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 minus of 1 minus 2k by k minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus cancel only. 1 minus 2k is equal to k minus 1. 1 minus 2k equal to k minus 1 only. Now 2k, if you take right side, that is 3k is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 only. K is equal to, you can get it as 2 by 3. 3k is equal to 2. K is equal to what you can get mean, that is 2 by 3 is the answer only. 1 minus 2k is equal to k minus 1. We are getting 3k is equal to, you are getting it as 2 only. K is equal to, you can get it as 2 by 3. If the line makes equal intercepts on the axis, just equal intercept means we took m equal to minus 1. We wrote that one, see 1 minus 2k into x only. Plus this is ky means what does it mean by that one? K minus 1 into y plus 4k plus 1 only. Now slope is minus a by b minus of 1 minus 2k by k minus 1 only. 1 minus 2k is equal to k minus 1 only. That is 3k equal to 2 only, k equal to 2 by 3 only. Is it clear or not? Now let us move to the next question. The straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you see ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A comma b comma c not equal to 0. Will passes through a first quadrant and cut the positive x-axis only. The condition means what is that? What is that? There minus c by a greater than 0 you have to get. If minus c by a is greater than 0, multiply with a, what will happen? Minus ac by a square greater than 0. That is minus ac that is greater than 0. A square is perfect square only. Is it clear or not? So that's what. Now what we can get once you check this one, ac is less than 0 only you will get. One condition. Why? Because if a is positive or negative, a square is always positive only you will get. That should be in equation, will not change. Minus ac greater than 0, ac less than 0 will get. If minus c by a greater than 0, multiply with b, what we can get once you check this one, minus bc by again what condition you can write, you see minus c by a greater than 0, ac is less than 0. Similarly you can also write that ac less than 0 you will get. Is it clear or not? Now this bc is also what you can get. Similarly you can get that bc is also less than 0 only. Now the straight line will passes through first quadrant and cut the positive x-axis only. So that's what we can get here. Minus c by a is greater than 0 only you can write. Okay now. If you take that similarly other condition also you can take that if this is ac less than 0 and also this bc less than 0 only you will get. This is the final answer. AC less than 0 and or BC less than 0. First option is AC greater than 0, BC greater than 0. AC greater than 0, BC less than 0. AC greater than 0 and BC greater than 0. Wrong only, we got AC less than 0. AC less than 0 we are having in one option only, you see. Simple. AC greater than 0, AC greater than 0, AC greater than 0, here AC less than 0. In the one option only AC less than 0 is there. So, AC less than 0. Similarly, you can also get the BC less than 0 only. So, this fourth option is correct only. Let us move to the next question. A straight line is such that its distance of 5 units from the origin and its inclination is 135 degrees. Intercepts of the line on the coordinate axis are what are that? Once you check this one. Now you see this one. Now you see this one. This is a perpendicular normal form you can write. It is making angle alpha. But this line is making how much angle? This is 135 degrees it is making. Is it clear or not? Now this distance is 5 units was given. A straight line such that it is distance 5 units from the origin and its inclination is 135 degrees. The intercept of the line on the coordinate axis. Now this is a perpendicular only. Now this angle is alpha. One exterior angle is equal to alpha plus 90 degrees. Opposite, sum of opposite interior angles you will get. Sum of the opposite interior angles only you will get. Now alpha plus 90 is equal to, you will get it as 135 degrees only. Alpha is equal to 135 degrees minus 90 degrees. Alpha is equal to 45 degrees only. Now what is the condition? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P only. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. X cos 45 degrees plus y sin 45 degrees, that is equal to P means 5 only. X by root 2 plus y by root 2 is equal to 5. Now they are asking to find the what is that? The intercepts of the line on the coordinate axis only, lie on the coordinate axis. Now x by 5 by root 2, 5 root 2 sorry, x by 5 root 2 plus y by 5 root 2, that is equal to 1 only. See, I am taking this 5 this side only, 5 root 2, 5 root 2 will get. So what are the intercepts? 5 root 2, 5 root 2, this is the right answer. 5 root 2, 5 root 2. A x intercept A is 5 root 2, y intercept is also 5 root 2. You see, alpha plus 90 degrees is equal to 135, alpha equal to 45. We got x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P normal form. X by root 2, 1 by root 2 only cos 45, sin 45, 1 by root 2, x by root 2 plus y by root 2, 5, that is only. So 5 root 2 comma 5 root 2 is the right answer only. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. Angle made with x-axis by the two lines drawn through the point 1 comma 2. Now you see, this is diagram you will get like this only, theta making symmetric form only. A is a point only, line is this one, this is a root of 2 by 3. Is it clear or not? Root 2 by root 3 otherwise. Root of 2 by 3 is nothing but root 2 by root 3. R is root 2 by root. R is equal to root 2 by root 3 we are getting. Now you see x1 y1 is nothing but x1 y1 is nothing but 1 comma 2. Now you see the line is like that only, point lie on the line only. If you take this is another point B, B lies on that line only. Now x comma y is nothing but x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y1 plus r minus r sin theta. By that two things only you will get. First let us take x1 plus r cos theta. Now x1 plus r cos theta, 1 plus root of 2 by 3 cos theta, 2 plus root of 2 by 3 sin theta. This is lies on the line, only. Now what is the line? X plus y equal to 4 only. Now x plus y equal to 4 means what is that? 1 plus root of 2 by 3 cos theta plus 2 plus root of 2 by 3 sin theta equal to 4. Root of 2 by 3 cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1, you will get cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 3 by root 2 only. Now a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c plus c is equal to 0. A cos theta plus b sin theta plus c root dividing with root of a square plus b square. 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 only. Now root 3 by 2 means what is that? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B only. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B means what is that? You can write that thing. Otherwise cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to cos 30 degrees also you can write. Is it clear or not? Cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to what you can write? You can write that one root 3 by 2. Otherwise, I will write the sine also. Sine of theta plus pi by 4 is equal to sine 60 degrees, that is pi by 3. Cancelling that, this is 60 minus 45. You will get from this equation, you can get sine theta equal to 15 degrees. Other way, what you can get? Other way, you will get that 75 degrees also. Is it clear or not? So, clearly, you can also write that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is nothing but cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B theta minus pi by 4 also you can write 30 degrees only. From that also you can get that one 5 pi by 12 only. So, this pi by 12 and 5 pi by anything you can change. Either you can change into sine or you can change into the cos only. Is it clear or not? Theta equal to pi by 12, 5 pi by 12 we got. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. The straight line passing through P of x1, y1 and making an angle alpha with x-axis intersect ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in Q. Then what is PQ? They are asking. Now, x equal to x comma y is equal to formula is what is that? Do you know? x1 plus r cos theta. PQ equal to r we are writing. PQ equal to r x1 plus r cos theta plus or minus y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Is it clear or not? Now, r sin theta. Now, you see this one that lies on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A into lies on ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A into x1 plus or minus r cos theta plus b into y1 plus or minus r sin theta plus c is equal to 0. Here instead of theta we have to take alpha only. They are given alpha only. Okay, we have to change that one. That is not theta. That is alpha. Alpha, this is also alpha. Here also what you can get? That is also alpha only you will get. Now, cos alpha, this is cos alpha. Lie on the line ax plus by. Now, you see a into x1 plus or minus r cos alpha plus b into y1 plus or minus r sin alpha plus c is equal to 0. Now, you take that one ax1 plus by1 plus c. That side if you take minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. R is always positive only, modulus only we have to write. Is it clear or not? Now, here plus or minus r cos alpha plus or minus r sin alpha means r is common. Then what you can get, you know, cos alpha plus sin alpha, that is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c only. Is it clear or not? Why? Because this is nothing but, you can get this is nothing but ax1 plus by1 plus c is a modulus only, r is positive always. So, r is equal to, you can also write modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by, what is that? C, this is a cos alpha, a sin alpha. A cos alpha, this is b sin alpha. A cos alpha plus y, because a is multiplied with cos alpha, b is multiplied with sin alpha only. Clearly I will write r into A cos alpha plus B sin alpha. Is it clear? That is equal to this one. R is equal to this also modulus of what you can get? A cos alpha plus B sin alpha only. A cos alpha plus B sin alpha only. Now you see ax1 plus by1 plus c a square plus b square is wrong. Root of a cos alpha plus b sin alpha is also wrong. Root you will never get here. Is it clear? Ax1 plus by1 plus c by a cos alpha plus b sin alpha. This is the third option is correct only. Fourth option also a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha is there, wrong only. So this is the answer only. By symmetric form only you will get in that. By the symmetric form only we get this equation. Now let us move to the next question. The slope of a straight line through a of 3 comma 2 is 3 by 4, then the coordinates of the 2 points on the line that are 5 units away from A are. Now you see, same as like that only diagram, is it clear? Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 is there. 3 by 4 means this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. R is equal to 5 was given. X1, Y1 is X1 comma Y1 is equal to 3 comma 2. Is it clear or not? Now you see this one x comma y point we are writing x1 plus or minus r cos theta y1 plus or minus r sin theta only. X1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta only you will get. Now this implies what you can get, you see x1 plus or minus r cos theta means this is 3 plus or minus 5 cos theta, that is nothing but how much, 4 by 5. Now y1 means what is that, 2 plus or minus 5 into sin theta, 3 by 5, 5 cancel. 7 comma 5 is 1 point, 7 comma 5 is 1 point, other point is 3 minus 4 minus 1 comma 2 minus 3, that is again minus 1 only. Now 7 comma 5 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, this 7 comma 5 minus 1 comma minus 1 is the right answer only. Is it clear or not? 7 5 minus 1 comma minus 1 only. So by symmetric form, that is a parametric form only, x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y x equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. By that you will get the problem. Let us move to the next question only. Now p of 1 plus t by root 2 plus t by root 2 be any point a line, then the range of values of t for which the point p lies between the parallel lines. Given lines are nothing but what is that? Once you check, these are two parallel lines. Why? Because slopes is same, minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 2 only, parallel lines only. Now given lines are what are that? Once you check this one, given lines are nothing but x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0, equation 1, 2x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0, other line only. Okay na? Now first line, second line. Now p is nothing but 1 plus t by root 2, 2 plus t by root 2 only. Okay na? Origin and O comma P lies, what is that? P lies opposite side of first line, opposite side of first line. Is it clear or not? And O comma P lies same side of second line, same side of second line only. Now you see this one, based on this one you can get origin and the P lies opposite side of 1, Opposite side of 1 means what you can get, the required thing is minus L11 by L22. Formula is what is that? Minus L11 by L22. Minus L11 means first line equation I am taking. Minus of 0, 0, minus 1 by, this is nothing but 1 plus t by root 2 plus 2 times of 2 plus t by root 2. Is it clear or not? This is minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 we got. Means total ratio is positive. Total ratio is positive, then only what you can get, you know, m by n greater than 0 if you take that one, that is L11 by L, total ratio minus L11 by L22 if it is greater than 0 if you get, that is opposite side of the line only, the 2 points lie opposite side. See, O and P lies opposite side of first line only you will get. Is it clear? Opposite side of the line means what is that? You have to get, this should be positive only. This should be positive. Already numerator is positive, minus of minus 1 positive only. Denominator what you can get once you check this one, that is nothing but 1 plus t by root 2, t by root 2 plus 4 plus 2t by root 2, okay na, minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 will be get cancelled. This should be greater than 0 only. T by root 2, 2t by root 2, 3t by root 2, 3t by root 2, okay na? 3t by root 2 is greater than minus 4 only. That is implies t is greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. Minus 4 root 2 by 3. T greater than minus 4 root 2 by root 3 only in one option is there. That is only right answer. We will check that one. Other thing is t greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. It is clearly we will write that one. T greater than what it is? T greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. Is it clear? Other thing, OP lies same side of second line only. Same side of second line means what is that? Now you check this one. Second line minus L11 by L22 only. Second line is 2x plus 4y. That is nothing but origin 0, 0. 0, 0 means what is that? Minus of minus 15 by what you can get? That is 2 into 1 plus t by root 2. 2 into, what is that? 2 into 1 plus t by root 2 plus 4 into 2 plus t by root 2. Is it clear or not? Minus 15 only. Is it clear? Minus of minus plus 15 only. Opposite side, to get opposite side previously we did. Opposite side means total ratio should be positive only. Same side means total ratio should be negative only. Total ratio should be negative means totally this should be less than 0. This should be less than 0 means what is that? This should be less than 0. Previously what is that? Totally this should be greater than 0 only. Is it clear or not? Now like that only, greater than 0 means numerator 1 is positive only, this is also positive we took, we got t is greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. Now here I am taking that this is less than 0 I am getting, numerator is positive only, 15 only, this should be less than 0 only. Now this is 2 plus 2t by root 2 plus 8 plus 4t by root 2 minus 15 is less than 0 only. Is it clear or not? 2 plus 8, 10 minus 15 minus 5, if you take that 6t by root 2 is less than 5 we are getting. Is it clear or not? T is less than 5 root 2 by, this is 6 only. T is less than, directly we got that 5 root 2 by 6 only we got. Is it clear or not? Now already it is there. T must be greater than that minus 4 root 2 by 3. T must be less than 5 root 2 by 6 means T range what you can get, you know. Required answer is minus 4 root 2 by 3 is less than t is less than 5 root 2 by 6 only. So that is only the range. Minus 4 root 2 by 3 is less than t is less than 5 root 2 by 6 only. Is it clear or not? Now, this is only the final answer only. Let us go to the next question. The range of alpha for which the points lie on opposite side. Given points are nothing but what you can get. You see, alpha comma alpha plus 2, 3 alpha by 2 comma alpha square. Given line is nothing but what is that? You know, that is 2x plus 3y plus minus 6 equal to 0. Formula minus L11 by L2. That is implies minus of L11 means 2 into alpha, 3 into alpha plus 2, okay na, minus 6 by 2 into 3 alpha by 2 plus 3 alpha square minus 6 only, okay na. This is nothing but what you can get. You see, minus of 5 alpha completed, 2 alpha plus 3 alpha, 5 alpha plus 6 minus 6 only. Here 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 6 only. 6 cancel only. Now 5 alpha means what you can get, we will verify that one. This should be totally positive only, then only opposite side only will get. So this should be negative only you can get. 5 alpha into, now 5 alpha into now 3 alpha square. 3 alpha square, is it clear or not? 5 alpha into 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha, 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 6. So this should be less than 0. You can cancel 5 and this 3 only, that is implies alpha into alpha square plus alpha minus 2 less than 0 only. This implies alpha into what you can get means alpha plus 2 into alpha minus, you see alpha square plus 2 alpha minus alpha only minus 2 only you will get less than 0. By this inequality you can write the alpha value. Alpha belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 comma 1 only you will get. You check that one, is it clear or not? Inequality, if you check that one, what you can get in this one only, that is less than 0 only you will get. Is it clear? Alpha belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 comma 1. This third option is correct only. Minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 1 only, that should be, what is that? This inequality holds only you will get. Final answer is that only. Is it clear? Then only you can get the opposite side of the line only. Let us move to the next question. If the line 3x plus 4y minus 8 is denoted by L, then the points 2 comma 5 minus 5 comma 2, what happened? Lie on the same side or opposite side. Given line is nothing but what is that? Given line is 3x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. Given points nothing but what you can get, you see 2 comma minus 5 comma 2. Formula minus L11 by L22. Now minus of L11, 3 into 2, 4 into minus 5 minus 8 by 3 into minus 5, 4 into 2 minus 8 only. Is it clear or not? Now 4 into 2 minus 8 means this 8 cancel only. Now this implies what you can get, 3 to just 6 minus 20, minus 20 minus 20 minus 8 minus 28, 6 minus 28, 6 minus 28, what you can get, minus 6 minus 28 minus 22, but minus is there, minus of minus plus 22. You see there just minus 20 minus 8 minus 28, 6 minus 28 minus 22, but minus is there. This is nothing but what is that? 22 only. 22 by Here what we are getting? 3 into minus 5, that is nothing but minus 15, that minus here I am writing. Why? Because this is a 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into 2, 8 minus 8, 8 cancel on. Why? Because the given thing is 3x plus 4y minus 8. 2 comma minus 5 minus 5 comma 2. 2 comma minus 5 substitute 3 2 ja 4 into minus 5 minus 8 only. This is 6 minus 20 minus 8. 6 minus 28 minus 22. Here plus 8 is there. 4 into 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into 2 minus 8 means 8 cancel minus 15. I wrote that minus 15. But here this is a positive thing we got. In denominator negative only we got. Why? Because 6 minus 28 minus 22 minus of minus plus 22 actually. That is nothing but denominator minus 15 is there. 15 minus we are writing. So this is a negative thing we are getting. Negative thing we are getting means it is lie on the same side of yellow. Why? Because if you see that one, the 2 points are there, A and B. This is a divides externally means what is that? Mn less than 0 like that you are getting. Is it clear or not? So here that means it is a outside of AB. If we are getting, what will happen? What will happen? So they are same side only. Lie on the same side. Why? Because negative sign we got. If you get the negative sign, lie on the same side. That is the right answer only. Now, this is the end of the session. Thank you very much.